Okay. Let's see how this play out. Y'all see how this trade went, right? Remember, prior, this was the trade we were looking at last night. Bro. I was like, I ain't gonna take this trade. Mark it all up and say what it might do, right? Okay. Let's go back to this trade breakdown and see what actually occurred. All right, so a 15-minute. Yes. So I remember yesterday we was consolidating in this area right here. We was consolidating, and you can see we broke structure to the uptrend before working our way back down to the position where I told you I feel like the market is going to start going. Like for it to go up, it has to reverse backwards to go up. I mean downwards to go up. Or down, it has to reverse downwards to go up. So once we get that into understanding, we start looking for this performance in the market. So the first candle is about to open up inside. It's already open, but it's open in 3 minutes right now. Inside New York Stock Exchange. Let's go see how the market open it up. We'll start this challenge all right, man. We can stay on EU. We can most definitely stay on EU. I know this probably don't make no sense. Let me clear this up. Remember from last night. Y'all see this? I'm not smoking no cigarette. This is my so filtered too. I ain't saying that's better than that like that, but ain't no fucking cigarette. It ain't no cigarette. I'm really getting up. So, you know, you gotta most definitely check your market, mark up. I could have been on here last night finding some. And all this you know, thing charts, man, we ain't gonna cheat each other. We'll make accurate and right choices together. Okay. First thing is, I want to say EU right now. Y'all see EU moves a lot. In the beginning of London, in the beginning of New York, and usually at the end of London. Inside this gap right here, New York will try to, not New York, EU will try to move a little bit. Then New York open, New York open, New York open. These are our charts, so each one of these candlesticks are hour long. So. Now you have to pay attention to why I'm using certain spots. So we know down here it's an area of support, right? Or just a fair value gap of buying pressure, right? So let's remember that. We're gonna put these day high. Previous day lows down here. We may have to go to. This where pressure starts shooting. Right. So this gap was just filled. All right, for an hour, guess what? This makes the new gap. We got a 1 hour gap in the market. We got buying power down here. So my thing is, when I see this, so right now what this showing me, what would I look for? What would I look for inside this? Like right now, what I'm seeing so far. So I'm seeing we got an uptrend going, right? The inside buying power. The inside buying power here, the inside buying power here, the inside buying power here, the inside buying power right here. We got that solidified. We're gonna put down. I know we might have to retest this area here. We can stop in here. Like a little bit like right here. I remember this position right here. Like this gap that we had in the market, look, this our market fell right below this and still pressure to pass this. So just to pass this, we're gonna have to get up here. We have to break this previous high. One thing I'm learning about EU is EU likes to break previous highs or lows before it goes down. EU like to break highs and lows before it goes down. Everybody that know me know I like to trade Nas right now. I'm trying to do a little bit more or either oil. Let's see. We can find us a nice setup. I'll keep making some off of there. Well, I told y'all yesterday in the candy trade that for me, I got in down here, which we know. I had to see it come behind here, under here, and peel off of it and come back down, which it has done already, right? It's done that. It did it. Let's see. I got on these candles last night, so these are the pressures. Let's see. Well, yesterday, let me say that. See, these Sundays I use these candles to pick my trade yesterday. If that makes sense. No? Hope so. Use these markets. Pressure. I'm gonna put them back in. So this, when you think about previous pressure point in the market, see like what market would have structure surpassing, market having structure surpassing, and where it peels off where it reflects off the right side of the area we want it to be, right? So what do I know in this area right here? It's all my energy. It's created this sell in here, but I know for a fact it's still for sale. This one can go lower. How low would it go? It can go as low as this. or it can go as low as the whole buying power. With this green. Now this was an hour, so we got a 4 hour down here. I'll show you. We got a 4 hour down there. But just to show you, so it can be clear. 1 hour gap in the market that needs to be filled. All buying power. All buying power. Right? Remember we said anything below this line right here is going to be a sell. Anytime we come back below that line, we going to sell. Now that's going to give us a bigger area where the market may be, what I can say, consolidating in. For sure. Okay, now it's like how's everybody feeling though? Let me go with that. We can finish my opinion, moving yourself in. Ooh. Feel like we getting too strong. Like selling things. 4 hours. I mean, I probably don't understand my code. I'll be marking them up as I go. I'm gonna clear it up. Y'all can see. Okay. See another gap in the market here. I see right now, it'll be like this. So we see all this from this area right here. That'll be my entry point. We're looking to enter around here. Now we could go up here because this is where the most momentum of the market started falling. So if we want to, I would say we can wait till the market to pass it or get up to this line right here. This is where the market had the most push down. So that will show us the gap in the market. We can see a double top right here. In the 15 minutes, we can see this one right here. So it shows us still in pressure in the market. So what I'll do, I like colorways to let me know like what am I looking for, so I won't be trying to remember. But I'll allow this to ride. But if it comes below, like the low here, I'll be looking for a sell. If it doesn't rise up here, it goes below here, I'll just look for a sell. To head back into this gap already. It already started breaking new lows. Like I tell y'all, before we go down, you have to go up. A lot of buying power right here. Those are certain things I would have to see before I would actually take that trade. And by saying that, like, I would have to see the market rate reach back into a specific area to pull it down. I used to be like, all right, if I know we're about to get into that area, let me go into that area, right? But if I was gonna do that, if I knew that it may go down, right? It have to go up first. So just for that reason, I'll be looking for an uptrend. So right now, this looks good. It looks good that it's starting to break outside this before it get up here, because like I said, before I even put a trade in, I needed to be inside my leg. I need to already be inside here, which we call discount market. So let's look at it like this. So if I'm on the seller's market, right, or if I know I want to sell, I want to buy my sell inside of a buy zone. And the reason I say that is because let's look at investments, right? So if something's gonna go down, right, and you make more money when it goes into the way that you're looking for it to go, if If I'm looking for a sale and I'm gonna buy, that means it'll cost me less. So as I go down, I'll make money. So if I'm looking for it to go down, I want to get it in this area because that's my, my discount area. It should all be premium, meaning like premium always costs you the most. So if I buy it here to go down and it rises up here, think about all the money I just lost just to watch it happen. You know, looking at that trade last night, I'm like, well, I have to see things. I'm like, my interest want to be a little bit higher than where it's at right now. I want to have it right there. All right, so we think about it. This was yesterday, right? One of these would have been, when that was on EU, so it's not going to be on this trade. That's not for I go back to EU to show you. I do got a breakdown on EU right now. The trade that I set up last night actually did play out. It did go over our previous high. So, but we seen that when we was doing the back testing last night. We seen that the market wanted to go past previous highs or previous lows before it went back into that area. Because remember, I was like, well, if I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna take this one higher than the previous high, right? That was my whole get go about it. I like watching the 8 o'clock candle open or the first couple candles open just to the point that one, it shows me where the momentum in the market is going to pull back. So I noticed, like, remember we said about between 10 and 11, we can find an entry on what's the name on EU. Let me see my 8:30 candle right here. So 10:15 will probably be a good move. My 8:30 candle will probably be a good move. I'm gonna keep looking. See. I'm trying to make a move right now. It's my 8:30 candle. 10:15. That's when that change started happening. Now you see, I'm just going back in the past and looking at when the market has a change in the market. Very short little trade. Okay. 15 candle. We took that all the way up. So when I do this, I'm gonna wait until close until like 10 to put a trade on here. Now, let me see, do that psychology work for y'all? So what y'all don't know what I just did was the same thing I showed y'all last night, kill zones. Kill zones let you know the opening and the closing in the market, right? I trade London and I trade New York. What I like to do is I like to look for times in the market where the market surpasses, moves, causes confluence. Excuse me. Now, what does that mean? Okay, so in New York, we opened up at 9:30, right? So why is our first candle printing at 8? Right, because money is starting to get moved into the market for the open, right? But what does a computer have to do? Let's say buffer, calibrate, we call it consolidate. It has to retrace, whichever one you want to call it, to actually put us back into a position, right? Collect all this money, we call it liquidation too, or liquidity. Like you have to go get it. Look at this long candle. Long candle. Who's in this candle was for it? That's like all liquidity. Look at this long wick. Look at this one. That's all liquidity. That's all liquidity. That's all that is. So, like I said, we ain't in a trade right now. We ain't take a trade right now. What we are waiting to see is for this to either rise up into this now. It can come up to here. But that's what we're looking for to sell. I'm gonna let this rise until we get close to like about 10. Well, I ain't gonna say about 10. I'm gonna wait till the market opens. If I see something before then I'll take that. But right now I don't have a perfect setup on this. So I wouldn't be right to take this trade right now, to be honest. I don't know. Yeah, I got it marked up. Like as far as like this going down here. I got it right here. This is where we're at. I'm trying to get up here. I want the market to get up here. That's my goal. The market get up there and tap that, it to be inside this fair value gap right here. I'm gonna tell you this whole body is a fair value gap. Also, pressure. You can see the market has not filled this whole market yet. So that's what the market is almost going to do. So we fill this fair value gap before it goes and take out another fair value gap. But the thing about that is we still got pressure right here in the market that actually shows us to sell. So you actually can tell as this one rises up because this line where this one breaks off of it right now is gonna have selling pressure. So what does that show me? It's still selling pressure in the market. Now I could have did if I would have caught this last night, I like breakout trades. So for a second, this might look like it's a breakout trade. Like if you look at it like this, like you checking the point, you can see that the market is actually starting to break out. You see the market is starting to break out. You ain't gonna be able to do this because it's that we stand inside of a downtrend. So when it breaks above this, right? So you can go from where things was already at. Break out. It's gonna be a breakout. But that's just me showing. I ain't about to place that on there because that's not a clear breakout trade, not at all. But I'm just showing. I'm just trying to show y'all just influences. So like, if you got a downtrend, then that line will keep like continuously bouncing off that line, making lower lows, lower highs, right? Same thing that was going on the uptrend. It do the same thing. So like, you can see like that's exactly what it's doing. So we gotta be like one forward move to come back up to make another move to come back up. You see what I'm saying? Man, hoping that y'all can catch that. Ooh, all right, let's go back to EU. Let's see what EU doing right quick before we settle in. This was the trade from last night. We got in right here. We said it was gonna go up, tap off the high, then it was gonna work its way back down. Y'all have to go back and look or restart this video. Place that there in the beginning. As you can see, it did go over our stop loss. This wasn't a trade that I said I was gonna take. I said I would take this trade. I didn't take the trade last night. It did go a little bit higher than our stop loss, and I'm showing y'all that now we have a confluence that like EU like to do it like to go above our whole previous high or low before we make our way back down. So what this is gonna do, it's gonna take out what this high. It would be this area right here before it started making its way back down. In the buyer zone area right here. So this could be a way to finish the uptrend, and now this is a retracement to start pulling itself back up. You never know. You never know which one's gonna come. So what I'm doing is I'm waiting on entry point. How can I see this happen? I told y'all once it got below this, once it showed me to like support right here, I would need it to get back up to here so I can make my way back down. That's me. Once it get here, I start working my way back down with it. I'm gonna go back to Nas because Nas a little bit more volatile right now. Yeah, I got a little I'm gonna go grab me some water. Hey, this is about to go. Yeah. I don't know this. Everybody, if you do got any questions about the way I do this, it's kind of similar to air. Don't let people fool you, bro. Like it's hard, man. It's just time. It's all the time. But gotta be damn near addicted to this. Trying to make it good. Remember I told y'all about gaps? Once you see pressure start being built, which kind of would it be? It would be the bottom of this full body, of this second count, make a gap. It's like this gap right here, makes a gap. It's like this one right here, makes a gap. So I have this like this one right here, makes a gap. No, this one was filled for, so you can see the wick came down and closed that body out. You can see the wick came down and closed this body out. So this one was actually filled. Same thing with this, came down to the field. This coming up. So how we put that this position of the market and this position in the market that shows us a gap in the market. Mind you, I see it. I said I need this. I need to see it go back up. Before I'll put a trade for it to go down. I'm gonna watch this come back up to do this. Like that too. The thing about EU is it's all pressure right here. So I mean, we can take our best guess, right? We know we got buy power down here. When we bring it down to the downtrend, we got a field gap. We have a large 4 hour gap in the market right there. Crazy. So what the market could do is repel back to that market. You know, do the same reaction it has one. Shoot up. And we have to keep repetition. That's how the market moves. Repetition means the same thing over and over. Same thing over and over. Going back to times by using Nas. If you can't use Nas, you can't trade Nas, all that means is that you just don't have a. That's not a bad thing. But that's what I could trade. Nas Mini. So for those who don't know, Nas Mini has the same chart. It's Nas100. It's just more friendly for us. It's more friendly for the ones who didn't have enough. Like, all right, people don't want to believe me. I started with KOT to do FOREX. I started with $10. You believe that or not? It's all risk management. So once you learn gaps in the market and then you wait for certain things, it's kind of the same thing over and over again. And what I mean by that is, like, I just said I'm waiting on the market to get up into a certain position. And obviously, like, I'm minusing my losses if it does reach that position. Now, mind you, have to watch this market yourself. So we are streaming, and I don't care who you are streaming with. It's gonna be delayed. For sure. It's gonna be delayed. So by knowing that it will be delayed, my best bet is to do what? You feel me? Like, let y'all know early. Keep your eyes on it. So when the market does move, it won't mess nobody up. Say 30 candles. That 30 candle seems like it always pushes towards like the next one, like the next gap. Man, look at that. Let's see if we can find confluence, like repetition in the market. Because I tell people, it's not even just knowing what you do. Like, my mentor taught me, like, it's all time. Like, knowing that. So we know we got between 8 and 30 to find a trade. It's starting to work its way up. Now, mind you, this is the zone where I said it was probably have trouble surviving this area right here, because we have these two right here that shows the web and this red one going back down. With that long wick at the bottom, you might as well consider that as a bulk. It was basically that it ate that bitch up. Let's just say that. It's like really some small, you got some big. Ate it up. Okay. So what if this was a down candle? What was this one? What if this one was a down candle? And then let me see if I can show y'all in both. Okay, it's like this right here. This candle, this red candle. And look next to this green one. It's bigger than it engulfed that candle. Same thing right here. It engulfed that candle. It engulfed this candle, knocked it down. See what I'm saying? Okay. I hope that might show you some type of clarity that when you're looking for stuff. So I'm saying in that position, I know for like it's a lot of selling like power. So I know this one too. Now we close right up here at the top, but we don't got that much more to go. So I know it's a lot of pressure. I want to pull this down, but this is my actual area. All this, there's no bodies in here. There's no bodies in there. All that is liquidity. So if you like to trade liquidity grab, that might be, you know, nice low for you. Might be nice move. Like I ain't gonna play it. That might be something. But I just know the market like to go to the nearest wherever you got feel letter. It'll let me know if you want to surpass or not. And then from there I look at my equipment. So I'm about to start breaking it down for far. Bro, we trading on trading view, so I'm not saying we don't trade locker. So we using trading view, even though trade locker got trading charts, we use trading view to mark up our charts, pick our trades because it was more close, more accurate entries, not entries on your part. You'll be able to see more accurate trading view. And I like using kills on so I can know exactly where I'm market. I don't really use other indicators. I may use my bid or anything like that. They're not really. Kills on is the only one I use. In my work, if I can see the London high and the London low or piece. That's what my baby about to do. Now, mind you, I am going towards the downtrend, right? So because I'm looking to sell, I need to buy during the buy. If that makes sense. Or dropping. Let's see. Let's see. We might have a small little that before we start going for our actual way that we put it up, which is not bad though, because that's common. Did a lot of mile hours, so it's still it start going backwards. It start going backwards. Look at that EU right there. You see EU? You having trouble surpassing it. You having trouble surpassing this. I still think it's gonna make itself shoot above. I'm gonna just wait for that. I'm gonna set an alert. I'm gonna wait on that. Okay. So alerts will remind me. I'm gonna go back to Nas. Because Nas feel like when you start doing this. So do you though. But you know, hey, we're gonna see. You can't go without going down too. Mind you, remember we had the entry point down here. Hold up, I can tell you exactly where we had the entry point on. Was it down here? Before we moved it up. So we had our entry point down here. I feel though it's gonna go down, but I feel like it's gonna probably close out into this area right here. push back up in here, and then start making this way down. I think when we set up there, it's gonna be a wick, so we need to just be ready for it. Because Nas moves hella fast. Hella fast. So let's look right. Let's see what the 8:30 candle do. We're on 15 minutes, so let's look for the 8:45, I guess. That's the candle we're looking for right now. The 8:45 candle usually give us our reversal point. That's that doji there. So I'm gonna do that in confluence with what I'm saying. You know, like, so my 8:30, my 8:45 or 8:30 candle is going to give me my reversal early. Now, I don't have to take it, so I can wait until what you call it, until then. Like I said, we can see. Right. We're gonna watch it play out. Make sure y'all share this live. Y'all know we doing this challenge, try to get as many people as I can. All this is free, man. I'm not taking no trade without y'all. I'm breaking out every trade I have. I am not a trading strategist. I do not teach people how to trade. I have a lot of peers that are coming to me asking, and I just want to get back and show people. That's done a lot for me, and I'm hoping it can do a lot for others as well. So, at the same token, I'm just hoping that this information honestly help somebody else. And we can change $50 into $1,000, and then that 1,000 into 10,000, and we're gonna keep on it up there. And I said after we change that $50 to 1,000, I may just take the funding challenge. We're gonna use that 1,000 and we're gonna buy a couple funding challenges and we're gonna see what happens. I never did them FMO challenges. So we're gonna see if we can get a funding count this year, because I told myself like I'm full in this year to try to be a full-time trader. Why not? Why not? I love cutting hair though. Everybody wants to get right now. Okay, so what may happen? So look, you all know me. I love these. When the market makes a top like this, I love it. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and bring it. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and move this down back into the same position as what I said before. Prior. Now, let's see. They don't know what he's talking about. Right, sure. So look, I moved it back down here, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm still gonna wait for it to pull back in. I'm not about to drop sale during the sale. It's not gonna happen. But what the market is showing me is that this area right here has so much pressure. So the market, you see it tapped it and went right back out. The market still can do this. This will be a fake out right here at 9:30. That's when news are like, wait, they niggas the fuck out. So you usually want to get your trade in before news. And this could have been an easy one-on-one right here, probably. Could have been an easy one-on-one. Let me see. So don't take this like I'm putting this in right now. Let's just check it out. This could have been an easy one-on-one right. Look, this would have put us right above our previous high. And this would be our take profit now. So if somebody want to take this trade, like when it pulls back a little bit, you're more than welcome to do that. Because, I mean, it gives us a lot of influence that Nas wants to come back down and tap this area. One thing I know for a fact, when one red candle passes the wick of another red candle, it will surely push it. I've seen that too many times, like from binary trading, sniper trades, things like that. Like I know that the market will do that. I know. I'm good, but it's gonna pass. Now, would that be the candle? It could be. We on a 5-minute chart. Nas does. What the fuck we want to? I'm telling y'all. But me, I stick to my rules. I'm not changing them up no more. Meaning, so if it never gets back into that position, then I probably didn't take that trade. You see what I'm saying? If it don't get back into my position, I probably won't take that trade. But that'll be an easy one-on-one right there. To take it from here down, it'll be an easy little one with 8 pips. But that's not bad to me. Or 10 pips. Nice little go. I like one-on-ones too. There they go. Nas probably still retracing. Pull it back up. The patience game, man. I'm with you. You be thirsty. I'm trying to tell you. Y'all don't know. I'm gonna just put the dotted line right there. This, remember I said this would be a gap in the market, right? So look what the market is bouncing on that market top right now. Now it already broke into that market, not what tapped into that market, but it surpassed that last red one, but the body didn't close in it. But it's letting me know that I want to start coming back to that area soon. I could be soon as possible. It can be this candle right here that's building, that's printing right now. But that's not where I want to end. You see what I mean? So by saying that is, I want to do a trade that I literally take because it didn't do exactly what I wanted it to do. Now I'm not going to follow the trade for what it's doing at that moment. It has to do what I want it to do. If it does not do what I want it to do, I will not take that trade. So like I said, we got until like 8:30, 8:45 until let's say a good 10:30 to make our trade on live. Same thing with EU, how I use it. So you can take that and use it to all into 11 o'clock if you want to, until you make your trade. But me after that, I'm out of trading already. Got like 2 already going where it wants to. So me knowing that I want to sell, we got 3 red candles that just bring it right here. I won't trade it. I won't trade it until I get a green candle that pushes back up. I won't do it. I will not do it. Won't do it. Just won't do it. Yeah, I apologize, man. Somebody just let me know I sound like I'm inside of a cup. All right. I ain't mad about that, man. Yeah, my dog ate my mic. So whoever hear this, my dog ate my mic. So I'm about to, I got another mic coming, man. So my quality will be clear. I apologize, y'all. This is my first time starting a trade with everybody. On everybody what I do. But yeah, so forgive me for right now. I hope that y'all can hear me. I hope y'all just paying attention to what exactly I'm saying, man. I know it's probably not set up the way you all want it to be right now. Nope. Nothing starts off first. Hey, I ain't gonna put on y'all. See, look. What I tell y'all, this could have been an easy one-on-one. Now, I didn't take this trade. I didn't just take this small one-on-one trade right here that made me play out. Like I said, when you see a red surpass the other wick, it's already an indication that it will go. Remember I told y'all that when you see momentum in the market, the second one would be what we call what? A fair value gap. That has to be good. So knowing that these are fair value gaps on the 5 minute chart, the 5 minute fair value gaps is the least respect when it comes to Nas. It's too volatile, right? I don't care if the market opens up. So like y'all know, at 9:30, it's gonna be a lot of momentum that goes into the market. 9:30 is gonna put a lot of momentum into the market. Now, seeing that we're not at 9:30 yet, we're going to 9 o'clock. I wouldn't be surprised for us to go back up, come back now. Now, right now, again though, we are going into an uptrend. Coming from the London section, we are moving into an uptrend. So look, if you think about it, all right, this is a low right here, right? So yeah, we broke a previous low. We got that understood. But look, we ain't break it again. But we just broke a previous high. So what does that mean to us, right? If the market is making higher highs and higher lows, excuse me, that makes it what? A buyer's market. If it's making lower highs and lower lows, it's a seller's market. Okay, y'all. You didn't touch our joint. I just got that notification. Let's see. Yeah. Hell no. It ain't touched that area yet. They lied to me. They lied to me, y'all. All right, well, we going back to now. But yeah, forgive me for my the quality of the sound, man. Forgive me for that. That boy is. You can clear that, but I ain't even gonna say it. Mind you, like I didn't jump in either one of these trades right here. I said this may be a good for a one-on-one. That's why I played this game to show y'all. I'm like, all right, I see the market showing this, right? But is that what I'm leading to? No, not at all. Now, what the market could do, it could just come inside this fair value gap. Let me draw it out so y'all can see it clearly. It could come into this area and only fill it. And only fill it. And what I mean by that is come into this area, don't surpass, or it'll come down and the wick will surpass, but all the bodies are closed inside here. And what that means is all the market has done was pull back, take out some people that was going to buy, continue to go up and go back down. That's all this. As we look on a higher time frame, we're still going into a downtrend, right? So we're not gonna forget what we're looking at. We're not gonna forget that we are looking at downtrend. So on the hour, we are breaking lows, right? So we are making a downward motion. Let's not forget that. So we're not gonna let what's happening inside the candles confuse us, because we already have a direction where we're trying to head. So, like I said, if it doesn't do what I wanted to do, I won't jump in. But I have understanding of what the market may do. but still at the same time. So we see this trade right here, right? And if somebody would have taken this trade, they could be all y'all would be all in profit right now. Anybody know about Nas small pit move? It's crazy. It's crazy. It's the reason why I'm using Nas or Nas move. Like I told y'all don't have at least 1,000, y'all can't go on Nas. Not at all. I love trading Nas. That's the reason why I will help y'all do this on Nas Mini. We can switch over to Nas and we can win. US, UJ, and things like that, they do good, but they less volatile. They have less movement in the market. They have less movement in the market, so you don't win enough. You have to up your lot size to actually benefit like you would like to from them. I remember I just tell y'all. If the red candle do what? It surpasses this, right? The width of the last red. From what I know, it'll continue to go down. I know that. And what I know, it'll continue to go down. Now, let's just see it there. We got 9:04. We got about 26 minutes until the market really start pushing. Hey, we're gonna wait. Let's see. When that might come, I just, it's gonna be a little bit better. Be a little bit better. Well, we ain't breaking. Look like we in the same area with these two. Okay. So look like we filled that gap up now. Let's see what happens. What candle is this? This our 905 candle. Let's go previous and see what a 905 candle look like. I love to look previous to see what goes on. Okay. Give me a second. I'm about to run and take my dog out so he can use the bathroom. I'm gonna let this keep playing this stuff out, and I'll be right back. Okay, back. That's what happened. Okay. So look, there go that 1-on-1 right there. That would have been an easy 10 pips. That 1-on-1. How we could have taken this 1-on-1, right? Now I didn't take this 1-on-1, but I seen it transpiring. Right? We got this support in the on the 5 minute, right? I actually got the support off the 15 minute in the hour. So what this shows me is that this is a strong level of support, just like this is right here. I'm still waiting on this to come up here. What this did is it showed me when it get up here, it's gonna fall down. That's what that shows me. When you get here, it's gonna slow down. It's gonna come back down. This right here, all this shows me is this bipolar right here. But I know the market still want to go lower in here. So before it go lower, it has to pull back. Right? So I'm still waiting on my entry. I haven't taken a trade yet. And I'm not about to just jump into a trade. I've seen that one. But if somebody caught this trade, that's perfect. Never fail. Awesome. Like I said, I'm waiting on certain entries. And once that happens, that's when I'm jumping in. Anybody caught this 1-on-1 trade, that's all on y'all. Congratulations. I didn't take this one. Watch this transpire right quick. I'm gonna let it play out. Okay, what I just noticed is that the market just tapped up. So I'm still waiting on the entry. I ain't took a trade this time. But 5 minute gap fill, another 5 minute gap fill, 15 minutes, and they go from the same. They go from the same. But now the market ain't came all the way down either. It ain't break the previous low yet, but it most definitely did. This will be the middle movement. I might take this. This will be the counter trend trade. You don't know what that means. Like if I'm going for the counter trend trade, meaning like I know if I'm going I would do it down here, like with this, like this. This will go all the way up to here. Before making our way back down. Let's see how this plays out. I mean, just so anybody know, I am inside this trade right now. And this is not going that challenge only just because this is kind of like, oh my God, I have an account I can waste on this to see what the market is doing. But I ain't trying to waste anything. I got a small lot size. But I just wanted to show y'all like boom. Trying to hit over and over again. One thing I like about a burst, once it happens, the order can be filled to go in. Go ahead and take a look. I got in. I'm gonna say down here. I have to show all I'm trading. stop loss in here. So let me get this position. I know that's not a large trade. Let me see. 17.3. Put a stop loss on. Smack. I can slide this over. I already know what I'm on. What am I looking for? This area. I want us to get back up into this area for me to make a sale. That's the trade I'm trying to take for the challenge. Take it from this side. So you know what that means. One trade in, even though it's not on even though that's not on the challenge, that's a trade that I do take. And that's the profit. Need some water. We're gonna keep pushing up. And once we get into this area, this is my seller area. If we don't reach into that area, then we ain't do what I wanted us to do today. Oof. I'll break down why I took this trade later tonight. Y'all can understand why did I end up taking this trade. And if y'all remember me, keep going back to the previous day, seeing what happens on time spans, then y'all will know why. So I'm actually sitting here waiting on what candle, y'all. See if y'all can remember the 10, 15, 10, 15, 45. Those are the candles I'm waiting on. Ooh. Because obviously we want to go down into a downstream. But to go into the downstream, we have to pull it back first. I could have caught this one. Like I said, we did this 1-on-1, but I didn't. Because that wasn't the entry point I was looking for. So I think it's into what we don't see. That was a counter 10 trade, sniper trade. Come on, put that. Shut, bro. We're gonna keep letting this play out. And once we get back into that zone, I'm gonna jump back on. And, we're gonna keep going from there. All right. Okay, so I'm probably about to get into this trade, and this is going up to $50. So I'm probably about to go ahead and enter this trade because it's looking like the market is actually repelling off this market. We'll get down to the 1 minute and see how we looking. Like the 1 minute is not trustworthy because it spends a lot of time just moving around. So you got all these candles. Moving up into the area. I'm going ahead and set myself up. Okay, y'all, we're starting to move up. Okay, up in this area right here. So we bounce off this red line right here, I'm about to go ahead and just jump in. And we bounce. We just bounce. Okay, so I got my trade in. I got a one lot size in right now. So y'all know. When it goes back up to here, I'm gonna add a higher lot size because that's exactly where I want it to go. So I take this one lot size because we outside of my premium range just by a little bit. But if we rise back in to here, I take it. Now I can't keep waiting. And like I said, I'm waiting on like the 10, 15, the 10, 45 type candles. But I'm gonna go ahead and enter in on a small lot size. And yeah, so we still rising up. All right, so I ain't faced in yet. I'm out the way. I'm out the way. I'm in the up there. You already moving up while I'm talking. Let's just see where this goes. Let's see what happens prior to. Let me go and just put this in before I miss them. Okay, so it's looking like them. Hold up. So I'm in the market and but hey, it is what it is. And let y'all know where I start at. I know I like putting these times. I started on this candle right here. So we're on 5. It's okay. One in direction. So that's what I'm saying. Like I said, we never touched my area where I want us to, but when we do, if we do, I'm going to put a higher. I'm going to put another pick in. For sure, for sure. So we're gonna watch this trade play out, and let's just see how it goes. I appreciate everybody who came on. We're gonna see how this go off. This will be the first trade for the $50 to 1,000, and we're gonna see what happens. So the market is actually moving up right now. So we're about to put another pick in. Like I said, I did start going up on that lot size though, but I did keep it at a 1. So there we go. Trying to do all this at once, man. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. I see this having trouble surpassing. I wanted to get, before I place it on trading view too, I wanted to get right up on that line. Come on, push through. Push through, baby. I think it's tapped. No, it ain't tapped yet. I wanted to touch that zone. Now I'm in. I'm in first trade for the 50 to 1,000. I am in. I'm gonna put my marker down here. And nice lot size. Let's play it out now. So let's go. So I got my small lot size in, and then I got my regular lot size that I like to do. If y'all want to go to lot sizes, so I'm doing a 1 lot size, and then I got and then I just did a 150 just to, like, it wouldn't let me. One thing I like about trade like it won't let me go over there. So it allowed me to do 250. I'm gonna let them play out, and let's see how this goes. So y'all watching this live, so I'm not thinking this out. So. So now, mind you, I didn't wait at all. So we had 957 because it got into my zone. Now, mind you, beforehand, my zone was up here. My zone was up here. So let's not forget that the zone was truthfully up here when we first started off, right? But as we can see, that ain't live. It came down from there. We placed it up for 1-on-1 trade, and what did that trade do? It hit. We didn't take that trade, but we marked it up for the morning, right? So now, what we got going on? We got 2 trades in right now, and them 2 trades is for the 1,000. And we're gonna watch this play out. We just did 1 trade on the sniper trade to come up, trade on the buy. And we about to. That's the best thing we can do. We take the knowledge that we do have, and we we market it. Now, mind you, I can't risk to lose too much. So we only got $50. So I think it'd probably be better if I'm on trading view with y'all guys so y'all can see this. I trading trade locker with you guys so y'all can see me put my trade in and y'all can see the wins as well. Okay. So I'm gonna make sure like I start doing that from now on. Like I'm gonna have my trading view roll up like set up, and then I'm gonna have the trade locker chart up so we can be on there trading as one. Like as one, we're gonna be on there. So it's gonna bounce off this red. But once it gets back below this red, we know for a fact it's going down. I said it's gonna bounce off that red. Now what we're looking for it to do is push through it. Once we get this to push through, we don't need this to start using this as a point of resistance or support because we're going into a sell. Now, if it come up above this value gap, I'm getting off the market. I'm getting off. I'm not even gonna hold. I'd rather take that loss than to literally keep allowing the market to go backwards in the hopes that it'll go in my direction. Like, no, you have to be willing to literally like not do something, like not allow it to take from you. Like money management is like the best thing I learned when it comes to trading, as far as like managing your account. Now, mind you, fair value gaps are gaps in the market at least. That's a fact. Ain't no ifs and buts about it. Ain't no ifs and buts about it. Fair value gaps in the market at least. As long as it's not overgoing my market, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. So I'm cool with like if a wick goes above it but it closed below. Like, so if a wick comes above here, but the body is still inside, I'm perfectly fine with that. I'm perfectly fine with that. My problem was I am when the body closes and now we're trying to break through here. That's when I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. But we're gonna watch this trade play out. We're gonna see what happens. Like I said, thank you for watching, and let's see what happens. So, like I said, we about to let this trade play out. We about to see what happens. Y'all can see the trade. The market is pulling back, but I ain't too much worried about that. Like I told you, I got my stop loss up here, so I can save. Make sure we don't run through our bread. I'm about to jump in the shower. When I get out, that'll give us some time. Still went on that 10-15 candle. That's gonna let me know a lot between them time spans. We gonna go from there, man. So I appreciate y'all logging in. We gonna ready to keep going. Okay, what's up, my people, man? I'm back. Great show. I ain't gonna lie, that was a great show. But as y'all can tell, the market is on its way down. Let me see. How far do we gotta go? Let me see. Okay. So we taking this down towards here. Now let's see something right quick. Field retracement. Oh my God, I'm going backwards. You want a downturn, so it would be me, player. It would be me. No, wow. We basically consolidating this little area here. So This trade might take a little minute to transpire. As you see, it was just down here. Pressure pushed the market back up. So the market might come back down and retrace itself. Go back down below here. So it can be a lot of different ways. You see this 10-15 candle then went and then pushed it down. So they're doing the initiation that we still want to go down, but we could start trying to go up. Consolidating in this area now. Keep breaking structure through here. So it lets me know it wants to break structure. You know how I feel about breaking structure. You gotta let it go. Market on doing it. But I appreciate everybody tapping in. I'm about to go ahead and get ready to head to the shop. I'm gonna check out this trade later. We're gonna figure out for y'all. I got my stop losses in. I hope y'all got y'all stop loss in. I can move my stop loss down to here. So if anything, I'm going to break even. We ain't gonna lose nothing in this trade, or it's gonna go down. It's gonna hit our take profit. We're gonna make some money this trade. So boy, yeah, Neil. Appreciate everybody tapping in to the 3 points trading. Everything is free, please. Click the Discord button in the bottom. Subscribe, like on the YouTube. Go follow me on Instagram. Yeah, you're in Ohio, you need to cut. Pull up, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, Neil on Instagram. Find me, check out my work, and let's just keep going, man. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio, and I'm really just trying to give back to everybody that's been asking me how do I do something. And I feel like trading gave me freedom. And I want to be able to get that back to others because it's just knowledge. And it's all about knowledge and time. For me, knowing what time something happens. But thank you. Now, tap in with y'all later on the day to break down the trades that we did take from, let me see, from why did I say this one right here and this one right here. We already went through why I was trading and how I wanted to wait on my entry point to actually make a trade. So, all that being said, we took 3 trades all together today. Well, we marked up 3 trades all together today, and so far 2 of them hit. We just waiting on this last one to play itself out. As I can see, EU has never went back up to test this area. It came back up here and tested the area, but I like to watch it touch it because that's just, if you don't touch the area, then I don't jump into it. That's just my way about it. So once again, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all, and I'll tap in with y'all later on tonight to break down these trades and get ready to set up tomorrow, man. It's the first day of that 50 to 1,000, and we're gonna keep going, man. So I appreciate y'all. Thank you.